Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Happy 50th birthday, paring Erwin. Wish ko sa'yo, sana umaba pa ang buhay mo. At yung Lakers mo, nagtatalo na. Dapat manalo uli yan. Kasi tinatalo na sila ng Dallas. Okay. O sige, basta ganun lang. Happy birthday sa'yo. At sa mga anak mo at sa anak mo lang pala at sa asawa mo. Yan. Good health sa inyong lahat, sa buong family mo, ha? Okay, sige.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, paring Erwin.
Happy birthday.
I hope you enjoy your 50th birthday. And God bless you all.
Hello, paring Erwin. Kamusta? Long time no see siya nga pala, happy 50th birthday. Wishing all you the best. Good health and more birthdays to come. I hope someday magkita-kita ulit tayo ng mga tropa. Yung mga tropa natin sa ACS. Ingat kayo palagi. Happy birthday muli. And God bless.
Happy birthday, paring Erwin. God bless you.
Hi, Ninong Erwin. Happy 50th birthday.
Wishing you more birthdays to come and good health.
May God bless you and your family.
Happy birthday, Erwin.
Happy birthday, paring Erwin.
Hi bro, happy 50th birthday and welcome to the golden age. I just wish you a happy birthday and may this milestone marks the beginning of the new chapter of your life filled with endless opportunities, excitement and fulfillment. Happy birthday and I hope to see you soon. Cheers!
Maligayang kaarawan, Erwin. Siguradong masayang-masaya ka sa araw na ito. Kapiling ang iyong mga mahal sa buhay. Wish ko maging healthy ka palagi at ingatan ka ng Diyos sa araw-araw. Happy birthday, hugs to you, Myla, Basti, and Mommy Between. Sana magkita-kita tayo dito soon. Ingat! Mwah!
Happy birthday! It's your golden year na po pala, Ninong. More blessings to come po. Hi! God bless! God bless!
Hello, Erwin. Happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday. Sana maging happy ka sa araw ng kaarawan mo. Ang wish ko lang sa iyo, magkaroon ka ng peace of mind at good health. Yun lang naman ang importante ngayon sa atin, mga problema. Dadating at dadaan yan. Lalampas din yan. Huwag masyadong mag-iisip sa mga problema. Kaya, enjoyin mo lang ang araw ng iyong kaarawan. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Erwin! Dahil 50 ka na pala, mag-start na tayo mag-ipon ng skilan, alaksan at mga maintenance. God bless you and your family. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Daddy Erwin. I wish you a wonderful birthday. Have a great one. I love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Erwin. Sana maging enjoy ka ngayong 50th. always patuloy ang blessings sa'yo. Thank you.
Hi, Kuya Erwin. Happy birthday.
Wishing you good health and happiness.
Stay young and ego. Cheers to 50 years. Hey!
Birthday, Kuya Erwin. Happy 50th birthday. Ingat lagi and wish ko laging good health always. And ingatan sila Basti as always. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Kuya Erwin.
Happy birthday to you. Ingat kay Erwin. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, paring Erwin. Nauna ka lang ng konti sa akin. Enjoy your day. Happy 50th birthday, pare. Enjoy.
Hello, pare. Kamusta na? Happy 50th birthday nga pala. Long time no see, ha? See you soon. I wish you good health and better life. See you, pare.
Happy birthday, paring Erwin. 50 na. Wish ko lang sa'yo, pare, good health, mag-ingat ka palagi, at sana maging masaya kayo lagi ng iyong pamilya. Happy birthday. I love you, pare.
Paring Erwin, happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday to you, pare. Sana marami pang birthday na dumating sa buhay mo. Ingatan mo yung sarili, yung asawa mo, tsaka yung aking anak sa'yo, pare. Happy birthday. I love you, pare. Forever.
Hello, pre. Musta na? Long time no see, ah. P50 ka na pala? Ang bilis ng panahon. Happy 50th birthday. My prayer and wish for you, more years to celebrate with your family, good health, and more blessings to you. Keep my regards to my inaanak Basti. Again, happy 50th birthday, my old friend, paring Erwin.
To my dear friend, paring Erwin, happy birthday sa'yo. Congrats on your 50th, the golden boy. Nauna ka lang. Hindi pala, nauna. Ako pala ang nauna. Same year tayo, di ba pare? Same month. Nauna lang ako ng ilang days. Happy 50th birthday sa'yo. Pareho tayo na zodiac sign. That's why, di ba? Tayo ang pinakamabait at pinakamahal. Di ba? Correct? So with that, pare, wala naman na ako dyan sa celebration mo. Pero I'm here sending you best wishes, all the love, all the happiness, and more success to you. Paring Erwin, happy birthday to you, pare. Cheers to your 50th birthday. Love you, pare. Thank you.
Hi, Erwin. Happiest birthday. Wow. Welcome to the Golden Club. I'm so blessed to be one of your friends. And, you know, we started when we were still in our prep, elementary, high school. And up to now, magkakasama pa rin tayo. So it's been a blessing to be your friend and kumpare, being a ninong sa uniko iyo mo. So enjoy your day, be a blessing to others, and continue to inspire everyone, inspire us. So maraming salamat and happiest 50th birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, paring Erwin. Parang ang hirap paniwalaan na andito na tayo sa ganitong edad. Ang bilis ng panahon. Dati noon, ang iniintindi natin kung paano lang tayo magsasabay-sabay nila Mike Disquitado papasok sa school nung elementary tsaka high school. Kung paano gumawa ng assignment. Tapos yung mga tawanan natin nung nakatambay tayo sa palengke, doon sa tabi ng bahay nyo, sa upuan natin doon. Ngayon, may mga kanya-kanya na tayong family, tapos medyo malayo na yung mga bahay natin. Madalang na tayong magkita-kita. I consider you as one of my best friends simula ng bata hanggang ngayon, at naalala ko pa yung mga masasayang times natin. And now that we're 50 years old, you're 50 years old, I wish you all the best. Happy birthday, Pare Koy. Sana matupad lahat ng wish mo, pati sa'yo, para sa family mo, at lahat ng mga gusto mo pang mangyari. Mabuhay ka!
Hi Insan Erwin, happy birthday. Wishing you many more years of good health, happiness, and God bless you and your family. See you soon. Happy birthday.
Hi Pinsan Erwin, happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo happiness, good health, and more birthdays to come. Stay humble and enjoy your day. Happy birthday.
Hi Pinsan Erwin, happy birthday. Wish you all the best in life, happiness and good health and your family. Happy birthday!
Happy golden birthday, Erwin. Ang wish ko sa'yo, syempre good health. And alagaan mo syempre yung sarili mo. And always pray to God that He will give you long life. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Ang wish ko lang sa iyo, na alam mo naman ako lang ang nabubuhay. Ang wish ko lang sa iyo na humaba ang buhay mo, malakas sa araw-araw, wala kang sakit para sa anak mo at sa asawa mo. Sana nga kung buhay sana si Ate Linda at si Kuya Poy, napakasaya noon. Dahil sa lahat ko, pinaka-favorite ni Ate Linda. Maging malakas ka, pag may konti ka naramdaman, check up. Basta, isa lang ang sasabihin ko sa iyo, happy birthday. Na sana tumagal ang buhay mo. Para sa anak mo na ang ganda, ang pogi-pogi, ang lakas na, ang laki-laki na. At si Myla naman, napakabait, maswerte ka.
Happy 50th birthday.
Wish you all the best. Happy birthday, Tata Bebeng!
Happy birthday po, Tito Erwin. God bless po from Castro family.
Happy birthday po, Ninong. God bless po.
Bye-bye po, bye-bye.
Say happy.
Happy.
Happy. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Ninong, happy birthday po. So yun po, happy birthday Ninong Erwin. Grabe, tagal na. Tagal na po natin hindi nagkikita, pero happy 50th birthday po and wish you all the best, and of course God bless din po. Bye.
Hi Erwin, kamusta na? Golden boy ka na ngayon. Happy birthday. Kailan ba tayo magkikita? Ingat kayo palagi.
Happy birthday and God bless and wish you good health.
Happy birthday.
Erwin, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Erwin, happy 50th birthday. I hope magkita-kita na tayo ulit and have a great one.
Hi, Tito Erwin. I hope you enjoy your day today. Hi, Tito Erwin. I wish you good health and have a great one.
Hi, Erwin. Good health and always be happy. Enjoy your day today.
Bye.
Happy 50th birthday, Erwin. God bless. Enjoy your special day.
Hi. Hello, Erwin. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, golden boy. Kamusta na kayo? Kamusta ka? Okay na okay ka pa ba rin? Okay, ingat ka. Lagi kang magpapacheck up. Para kasi, malapit ka na maging senior. Happy birthday. God bless you. Sana tumagal pa yung makaabot ka pa ng kasing edad ko.
Hindi na ako makapunta na dyan kasi okay na, masakit na yung mga tuhod ko. Hindi na masyadong makalakad. Okay.
Happy birthday, Daddy Irvin. Enjoy your special day. More birthdays to come. Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday to Irvin. I wish you good health and more blessings to come. God bless. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Happy 50th birthday, Kuya. Dalangin ko na mas marami pang blessing ang dumating sa inyo, sa buong pamilya. At nagpapasalamat din ako sa pagiging mabuti mong asawa kay ate at tatay kay Basti. Nawa ay patuloy kang pagpalain ng Panginoon at bigyan ka ng magandang kalusugan parate at patuloy kang maging mabuting tao. Happy birthday! We love you!
Hello! Happy birthday, Erwin! Wishing you all the best of everything. Continue to be a good husband to your wife, Myla, and a good father to your son, Basti. God bless!
Hi, Uncle Erwin. Happy 50th birthday. I hope you have a good day. Bye.
Happy 50th birthday, Tito Erwin. I wish you all the best and I hope you have a good day.
Hi, Erwin. Happy 50th birthday. Well, age is just a number. It's still a long way to go. Wish you good health and all the best in life. And enjoy your day. Happy birthday again and God bless.
Erwin, happy birthday. Happy 50th birthday. Welcome to the club. So, umiidad na tayo. Medyo hinihinili sa pagkain at iwasan ng mga matatamis at maalat. Alam mo na, milahi tayo ng hypertension, diabetes. So, hinihinay lang, okay? Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo at mukhang malaking handa ng ginawa ni Myla. Anyway, happy 50th birthday and stay healthy, okay? Okay, bro, thank you, bye.
Happy birthday. Ang wish ko sa iyo ay sana maging healthy ka at lagi kang safe. Lagi kang mag-iingat at lagi kang magdadasal sa Diyos. At sana maging masaya ka ngayong araw na to. At sana maging successful ang business mo. At galingan mo pa sa pagluluto. Alam kong kayang-kaya mo yan at ikaw ang nakamana sa magaling na pagluluto ng mami. Ingatan mo lagi ang sarili mo at lagi kang magdadasal. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, love. I hope happy ka sa mga simple surprises na pinrepare namin ni Basi sa'yo. Enjoy the rest of the day and always remember that we're always here to support you. I love you.
Happy 50th birthday, Daddy. Thank you for taking care of me and supporting me. Stay strong, stay healthy, and stay cool. You're the best dad ever. Hey!